Do not apply for Azure jobs without adding this skill to your profile. Azure Hybrid Identities is the most in-demand skill today, as every organization is either moving to the cloud or already in the cloud. One of the biggest challenges that every organization is facing today is access management across on-premises and the cloud. This 2-day workshop keeps you ahead of the competition. The workshop curriculum focuses on the following key learning objectives: setting up the on-premises AD with computers, users, groups, and all other identities. Set up Azure Entra ID default domains. Integrate on-premises ID with Azure ID. Sync all identities. Configure role-based access control, single sign-on, self-password reset portals. Achieve complete centralized identity solution for on-premises and cloud. Do not miss this opportunity. It is not a regular content that is available in the market. For more details, visit our website www.kloudcourse.in or call us on the number on the screen. We will be more than happy to assist you.